Feeling so sophisticated, lying in bed, pillow talk so interested, waiting for you at your hotel. Never thought we'd have this conversation. We're caught up in our heads.